Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. We got my man Manny Deepak in the building, a new developer bringing something new, something fresh, something awesome to the table. Now, the name of the watch face is called CR Alphabet. I thought my man really did an awesome job with this one, but of course you're going to hit me in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the nicest look so far as the digital time. You're going to get your step info at a glance as well. Once the watch face is on, you got the word creative at the top. We're going to talk about that. You're going to get your date information under that. Now you get two big bold letters that we're going to talk about in a second that ties into the name of the watch face. You come down, you're going to get a big bold legible digital time. You're going to get a PM stamp. You're going to get your step info right up under that. Steps, calories burned, heart rate, the important information. And to the left, you are going to get your battery percentage. Now, once your battery goes to a certain level, it's going to turn colors. Like if it's near empty, it's going to turn red, which I thought was cool. And if you go over to the right, you got your S health. Now, once you complete your goal, which I'm looking forward to seeing, he's going to raise his hand like, yeah, I made it, right? Which I thought was pretty cool. And you get your goal completed information as well. But let's dig over to the features of this watch face. Now, if you look up at the top right, if I double tap on creative, you can customize the color theme of this watch face. And I'm telling you, you got so many different color themes. You'll be here tapping all day to find the right one that's going to suit you. Now, after that, if I want to change the letters, just double tap and I can change it to whatever I want to change it to. It's going to be totally up to you. I like the font on this one. And also, if I tap here, I can pull up my battery info and I can come over here and pull up my S health as well. Down here, you're going to be able to pull up your heart rate information, which is pretty awesome. Now, you get about 6 shortcuts to make this watch face super convenient. Tap in certain places, like right here, and you'll be able to set your favorite application. You can tap right here, and you get 6 in all. 6 in all to customize. I thought this was awesome. I thought the developer did an awesome job, but check this out. Double tap, I can change the color of the numbers as well. I'm telling you, my man really outdid himself with this one. And yeah, this is a definite download. And this one does get my stamp of approval. But again, it is totally up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Now, don't go anywhere because we got one more watch face to review. So stay tuned. Number 2 is called Jesus Cross. Now, if you're into going to church, this is going to be the watch face that you want to download and put on your wrist on Sunday morning. This one is nice. It's geared toward fitness. I thought the developer brought something nice, something fresh to the table with this watch face. In the AOD mode, you are going to get the nicest look. I love the digital time along with the font. You're going to get your step status info as well with a nice background, and you're going to get a unique cross also dead center. When the watch face is on, you do get a nice cross. Right now, we're going to be able to customize that. We'll take a look at that in a second. Over to your left, you're going to get some of your step status info like floors climb, your heart rate information, your battery info, and of course, if your battery is at a certain level, it's going to change red if it's near empty, and you're going to get miles walked or ran. Over to the right, you get a nice moon phase, you get calories burned, get your step status info, and also you get your steps. Now, you get a nice cross in the middle, right? You can customize the color theme by double tapping creative at the top, and you can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer, which is nice. This guy gives you a ton of different colors. And if I tap up here, I can go into set a favorite, and if I tap on my battery, I can get my battery info as well. Now, if I tap right here, I can also go into my heart rate information. I come over here and I can also pull up my step status info, calories burned, floors climb, things of that nature. And I get a couple of more places where I can set a favorite. One is here, one is right here, and you get another one right here. But check this out. If I double tap on the time, which is my minutes, I can customize the color theme of that, and also the same for the hour. So I thought this was pretty cool, brought by the developer. I thought he did a good job with this one. We're gonna play this one on Sunday morning. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.